remember our last video, we were talking about hidden dangers along the Coquihalla Highway, how there are still parts that need to be repaired. Here's just one example of that. On the Swacco Creek, it's an exit that anybody can take, and this truck had no idea and just broke through the pavement, and it was... And as you can see, they are in the process right now of fixing it. They're digging it all out, they're packing dirt in there, and hopefully it won't be long before they can repave it and it'll be good to go. Also, remember the spot up on the highway on the exit part that was all undermined that we showed you? Well, they're fixing that too. They got cones out, they got the asphalt all busted up, and hopefully they'll start pouring material in there and then repaving it.
Hey, went and picked this beauty up yesterday. So Jared, tell us about this thing. Like, what's it got over what we got?
Well, it's got reliability, Mark. It's got reliability.
You got that right.
Yeah, this is Husqvarna. Husqvarna, we've always had good things to say about Husqvarna. All our chainsaws out here are Husqvarnas. They've been great. We're still running the chainsaw from like the 70s.
So this is actually a garden tractor as opposed to a lawn or a yard tractor. So it's a little bit heavier. And it's got hydrostatic transmission.
And unlike some of the lawn tractors we have, it's just got 2 blades underneath. This thing has 3 blades. Alright, so here's our first lawn tractor that we started out with. We've actually replaced the motor with a Briggs & Stratton 21 horsepower motor. Ooh, and wow. And it's been great, but you just can't get parts for this mower anymore, so that's why we kind of had to just use it as a utility lawnmower.
You got a ball hitch on there.
You got a ball hitch, tow truck, trailers. Go get your firewood for the winter with this thing.
You like that tractor, don't you?
I love that tractor. That was a good tractor.
Found the ramps.
Found the ramps. Let's go get that tractor off the truck.
Having a tough time there? Huh? Having a tough time? What's up? What's up? What you looking at?
To demonstrate the new on the market adjustable loading ramps. So these suckers just came on the market. You can adjust them to the different angles of loading that you want to do. Look at that from the factory.
He's got the old one going. Get the back tire aired up and we'll have a race.
So we got the Lawnmower Races here, as you can see behind me. We got the old one over there, got the new one, and the new one does have 3 horsepower on me. Mine is a 21 horsepower, that guy's a 24 horsepower. So let's give her a go and let's just see if they've improved with the designs and everything in the newer models.
There's an eye. See the eye?